Do you get scared every time in your town a shop or a new car dealership rolls out the banner that says $99 brake job special? Well, how do you fight this? Well, the key is to go premium. Don't cheap out. Don't try to compete with these guys. Give the customer what they really need. A quality brake job that makes their car reliable and safe. You can give them a brake job that has premium quality parts, like a rotor that looks good through the wheels, and the same with the caliper. You're able to give them better friction materials that will last longer, be quieter, and not have that chance of having pulsation. By going premium, you are giving them the best possible brake job that they want, that they really need. They may think $99 is a great deal, but after a while, chances are they're going to get stung by that $99 brake job, and they're going to want a quality brake job. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.